Imagine waking up one day, your coffee is ready. Your house is already cleaned. Your car drives you to work. And a robot is doing your job. Sounds like a movie, right? But here's the shocking truth. It's already happening. Today, robots are slowly changing the way humans live, work, and even think. And by the end of this video, you'll realize something surprising. Robots might become your biggest helper or your biggest competitor. Part 1. Robots are already everywhere. Most people think robots only exist in science fiction movies. But the truth is, robots are already around us. In factories, robots build cars faster than humans ever could. In hospitals, robotic machines help doctors perform extremely precise surgeries. Even in your home, robot vacuum cleaners quietly clean your floors. Some restaurants even have robot waiters that serve food to customers. Just imagine a machine that never gets tired, never complains, and works 24 hours a day. That's the power of robots. Part 2. Robots helping humans. But robots are not just replacing jobs, they are also saving lives. In dangerous places like mines, deep oceans, and space missions, robots do work that would be too risky for humans. For example, robots help scientists explore Mars. They can enter burning buildings during fires. They can even help elderly people walk again with robotic exoskeleton suits. In hospitals, robotic arms help doctors perform surgeries with incredible precision. This means faster recovery and safer operations for patients. So in many ways, robots are becoming our partners, not our enemies. Part 3. The big fear. Will robots take human jobs? The reality is, some jobs are already being replaced. Cashiers, factory workers, and delivery drivers are slowly being replaced by automation. Self-driving cars are being tested. Delivery robots are already bringing food to people's doors. But here's something interesting. Every time technology replaces some jobs, it also creates new jobs. For example, robot engineers, AI programmers, and robot technicians. So instead of competing with robots, humans must learn how to work with them. Part 4. The future of robots. Now imagine the future. Your personal robot assistant wakes you up in the morning. It schedules your meetings. It cooks your meals. It even helps your kids with homework. Some experts believe that within the next 20 years, robots will become part of everyday life just like smartphones today. But there is still one thing robots cannot fully replace: human creativity, emotions, and imagination. And that might always remain our greatest strength. Ending the big question. So here's the real question. Are robots going to help humanity grow, or will they eventually replace us? The future depends on how humans choose to use this technology. But one thing is certain. The robot revolution has already begun. And we are living in the middle of it. What do you think? Will robots become our best friends or our biggest threat? Tell me your opinion in the comments below.